Hello automotive professionals, and welcome back to the Softcars channel. Today, we are walking through the complete setup of ODIS Engineering version 20.0. This is the offboard diagnostic software used for advanced flashing and engineering tasks on VAG group vehicles. Before we dive in, make sure your Windows user account has full administrator privileges and that you have an extraction tool like WinRAR installed. Time to jump in. Just unzip your installer activation and databases to get things moving. It's absolutely simple, right? Once extracted, navigate to the main setup folder and run the installer executable as an administrator. Select your preferred language. We are using English GB here and follow the prompts. When the wizard asks for your diagnostic interface, select your hardware. Typically this will be the VAS 6154. On the next screen, click Search, navigate to your extracted activation folder and select a license.dat file. Finish the prompts and let the base software install. With the base software installed, we move to activation. Open your extracted activation folder and copy both the license.dat file and the patched offboard VAG launch executable. Next, open your C drive, navigate to Program Files, and open the OE folder. Paste both files here, confirming that you want to replace the existing files. Now right-click that newly pasted launcher, select Send To, and create a new desktop shortcut. Delete the old shortcut the installer made. Right-click your new one. Go to Properties, click Advanced, and check the box to run as administrator. This step is crucial for the software to function correctly. Now we need to load the engineering databases. First, locate your PostSetup.rar file, right-click it, and select Extract to PostSetup to unpack the archive. Once extracted, navigate into the new PostSetup folder. Right-click the setup.exe file and choose Run as Administrator to begin the installation. The installer will now run, unpacking the core framework and installing the database files. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Once that finishes, extract your project's archive. Copy all the database folders inside it. First, navigate to your Downloads folder, right-click on the projects.zip file, and select Extract All to unzip the archive. Once extracted, open the new Projects folder. Select all the database folders inside Audi, VW, Skoda, right-click on them, and choose Copy. To paste these, you need to access a hidden Windows directory. To view hidden files and folders in Windows, first open any folder in File Explorer. Next, click on the View tab at the top of the window. Finally, in the Show Hide section of the ribbon, check the box next to Hidden Items. Your hidden folders and files, like the App Data folder shown, will now be visible. Go to your C drive and open ProgramData if you don't see it. Make sure Hidden Items is checked in your View tab. First, navigate to your C drive. In the File Explorer ribbon at the top, click on the View tab and make sure the Hidden Items checkbox is selected, as shown above. Once you've enabled Hidden Items, the ProgramData folder will become visible in your C drive's file list. Finally, double-click the ProgramData folder to open it. You have now successfully navigated to the correct hidden directory. Inside ProgramData, open the OE folder and paste your copied project folders right there, replacing any existing files. First, navigate to your C ProgramData folder. As shown, you should see the OE folder within it. Next, open the OE folder, right-click in the empty space and select Paste to place your copied project folders. Finally, a dialog box will appear. Click on Replace the files in the destination to complete the process. Let's verify our setup. Launch the program using your new admin shortcut. You can safely ignore any initial hardware connection warnings. Navigate to Info on the right-hand menu, click Version Info, and scroll down to the ODX projects list. From the main screen of ODIS Engineering, locate the menu on the right-hand side. Click on the Info button, which is highlighted below. After clicking Info, a submenu will appear. From this menu, select the Version Info option. A new window will open, displaying version information. In the General tab, scroll down to the ODX Projects section to see the complete list of projects and their versions. If you see the full roster of VAG brands loaded here, your installation was a success. You can also download the software directly from the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive software tutorials.